Hi, it is November 16, 2013. I'm filming evidence of the fire that took place at 78053 Cobalt Court in La Quinta for Jill Wirtz's condo that caught fire. This is the stove that is adjacent to the Bosch dishwasher. The left side of the stove is directly next to the control panel of the Bosch dishwasher, and it's burnt. It shows where the heat is. It's right there, down at the bottom. It's different. And the right side of the stove shows no similar burning marks the way it does on the left. This is the door to the Bosch dishwasher. I believe that is the space where the control panel is. This is the dishwasher itself. The warping on the right side of the dishwasher shows that there's more heat. And I'm going into the kitchen where the dishwasher was. The stove was directly under the microwave that I'm filming right now. That's where the stove was. This is the space where the Bosch dishwasher was. This is the fire, the burning of the cabinets on top. You can see where it's charred the most. And then right here. Okay, that's where it is.